He
received.
received.
Okay, so with the R on received, it's kind of, if you were to sound like a pirate and go, ha-ha.
Ha-ha.
Okay, ha-ha, perfect. At the point that you're going ha-ha, that R is where you need to start the word received. So you go ha-ha received.
Ha-ha received.
Better. So yeah, so you need to, where your tongue scoops in for the ha-ha,
Uh-huh.
ha-ha,
Ha-ha received.
yeah,
Received.
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 Yeah, see, at the moment it's still too you have gone back to just going received, so you're just out, but you need to create that ski jump inside your mouth for the ha-ha, so that you're
received. Received. Received.
Yeah.
Oh, that's tough.
Yeah, okay, so he received.
He received.
That's okay. It's okay. We'll keep moving now. So but just so you'll know where the sound is for received. Received. So actually, let's just write it. Let's write it. If I go to the chat box here, chat. What I want you to do is I want you to listen very carefully to how I say received. Received, and you can write it in Portuguese, Spanish, your native language, whatever, in the text box where I've got here received. If you write how it sounds to you, received, received, yeah, received. So you've got the received.
Received. Received.
Oh, no, that one that you just did was perfect. Received.
Received.
Yeah. A little bit more a little bit more piratey. Received.
Received.
Better.
Received.
Very good. Can you feel the difference in your mouth?
Yes. Yes, my tongue is like making like more like scoop, like
a scoop. Yeah, like a little scoop. Well, I call it like a ski jump. Like you're skiing and you go down the ski jump and up the other side.